Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back and thanks for joining me. Tonight I'm working on a diptych. It is, let's see, 11 by 14 inches, the canvas is. And tonight's theme is gonna be purples with a smidge of pinks. Every time I go and do a Dutch pour, I sit and think to myself, oh, what colors am I going to do? What colors am I going to do? And I swear, I think I spend more time trying to think about my colors than the actual pour itself, which is pretty funny. So I've already gone ahead and flooded the canvas just to save some time. I've used my white paint, that is Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White, Floetrol, and water. And I also have it in my squeeze bottle. It helps me get around the edges. So if you want to know how I mix my paints, for those of you who are new watching, because there are always new people watching, I know to some of you this may sound repetitive, but you got to understand there are new subscribers daily. And hundreds a day get subscribed to my channel. So, you know, for those people who are new watching, they need to learn this stuff too. So if you want to know how I mix my paints, check out video number 63. I'll link it up here at the top in the little corner there, and you can click on that and see my ratios. Now I've gone ahead and, as you saw, I torched it, and so I'm going to get to it and tell you guys the colors. So we are using Prism Violet by Liquitex Basics. I'm using Pebeo's Iridescent Violet Blue. So Pebeo Studio Acrylics. And then I have Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. And then I have my Metallic Purple by Artist Loft. And I'm loving these. See, I used to be a huge advocate of these bottles. These are my Wilton squeeze bottles. And they're great. I still love them. And they come off Amazon. But then I have these Loli Veffy squeeze bottles that Adriana sent me. And I, talked to her the other day and I'm like, dude, you got to send me more of these. I just love them. They're so much easier to use. And then we have Theo Violet by Academy. And as my contrasting color, which I seem to have fallen in love with, even though I'm not a gold person, 24 karat gold by DecoArt. Now, I really love this. I know Artist Loft and, Liquitex Basics has their own gold, but there's something about this 24 karat gold that not only shimmers and shines like real gold, it also creates really, really nice cells. So that is going to be my accent color, and I never really put much thought into my order that I'm going to do these in, so never really thought about that. I think I will go okay, so we will start with the Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam, and of course my squiggly lines. So a lot of I've had a few comments saying, hey, how come you don't flood the come on, get out. Did I get it? Yep. Juno's everywhere. Oh, Juno. People asking me how come I don't flood with white anymore. It's because I find that the colors are so much more vibrant when you don't flood with white. Now, you can still flood with white if you want. It's personal preference, but I don't think I will ever flood my colored paints again. So that's just me. I'm liking it the way it's ending up, so I'm gonna leave it as is. Let's see what else is new and exciting. Well, my diptych of my black and white is still a bit wet, so I haven't shown it to you guys yet. Hopefully in the next video you will see the dried result. I want to make sure it's fully dry before I show it to you guys. And so you'll get to see that one. My sunset pour with my beach theme is almost dry, so I'll show you that one in the next video as well. Okay, so I've laid down the colors. I'm going to torch it real quick, and I gotta say, these colors look really pretty. Where is all this fluff coming from? It's killing me here. All right, so I think that's good. And let's blow this out and see what wonderful colors we get. Alrighty. I was always thinking about changing it up, but I don't think I should. Wow, I really love that gold. It's so pretty. Wow, I think this is like the first Dutch pour I've done where I've literally made it match. Like literally, they are actually matching. Holy cow, this color is a great, like, ruby rich pink. This is really cool. I like that color. I'm loving it. I don't even think I'm gonna touch it, aside from this really big bubble right there, and that's gone. Ah, wow. The only thing, yes, I know I'm not gonna touch it, and then I touch it. The only thing I'm gonna touch is, if you can see, I'll put it back, just a little bit of white right here. Can you see that? I want it to match that. Other than that, I swear I'm not touching it. So let me just blow that one little part over. There. That's it. And I'll put it back, and you'll see now it's absolutely perfect. And I could not be happier. So aside from the beautiful inside, which I will bring you down, you guys all know how much I love to torch the tips of my petals. So not those ones, but definitely these two and that one, because I can see the color hiding underneath. This is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Okay, I'm done. Look at that. What did that take me? Like, without my talking at the beginning, like what, 5 minutes? This is great. I'm loving it. Now it's falling on the edge here. So that's definitely going to go over, but that's okay. I'll leave it. I'm not going to touch it. Walk away, Kanella. Walk away. Let me, I'm going to bring you guys down. But this time I'm going to do my new way of bringing you guys down. So I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. Okay, guys, here we are. Here is the close-up. This is so much easier doing it this way than this way I've been doing it for how long now? So check out that shimmer. Look at that. Look at that 24 karat gold shimmer. Now this has done some really interesting cells. I've never seen anything like that, so that's pretty cool. And then there you have the edge where I torched, and then it's falling off. And then again, you've got this really cool stuff, so that's really interesting to see. And then check out that beautiful Theo Violet. Like, I am loving this color. I think it's going to be like one of my new favorite go-to colors. And there's the petals that I torched at the bottom. And then check this out. Look at how the shimmer. Look at that. I'm purposely getting it in the light so you can see. But I am loving this 24 karat gold. And again, there's that Theo Violet. It looks so pretty. So there you go, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And if you have any color combinations that you'd like me to try, please let me know. I can't do them all. Like, I mean, there's a lot of color combinations that people will throw out, and I gotta pick one or two, but let me know your color combinations and I'll see what I can do. And for those of you who want to see what Juno's up to, don't forget, check his channel out. The link is listed in the description below. Please subscribe to his channel too. I would love it. I know there's a lot of animal lovers out there, so please follow my pup Juno on his adventures as he grows up. And that's it. All the other information you guys need is listed in the description below. So check out all my social media links, Amazon links, my PayPal link for anyone who would like to donate. And if you guys are interested, if anyone is interested in this piece, you know what to do. Shoot me an email and let me know if you'd like it before it goes up on Etsy, which won't be for a while, but it's got to dry, got to get varnished. But that's it for now, guys. If you want it and you like it, grab it before somebody else does. So until then, take care, have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.